Hey, Editing Ann here. The day after I filmed this video, I received an email that indicated that unfortunately MightyNest is closing after 15 years in business. So just wanted to give everybody a heads up that they are having a going out of business sale where they have their website 50 to 80% off if anyone is interested in purchasing some eco-friendly items. And they are in the process of refunding me the portion of my annual subscription. So I appreciate the fact that they are able to do that. And what else can I tell you? Items that you're going to see in this video and that you will see in one subsequent video, because I have one more box coming from them. Those items, if you can't find it on their website, those items should be available on the manufacturer's website, or if you hunt around online for other shopping locations, you should be able to find them. Anyway, that's what I can tell you. Unfortunately, they're going out of business, so enjoy the video. Hope you see something that you like, or go check out their sale. They've got things 50 to 80% off. So this is a good time to stock up on some eco-friendly items. Hello and welcome to our MightyNest box for the month. I was able to garner a special price. So rather than $13 a month, I was able to get it down to, I think it's $8.99, so $9. And then they were having a sale, so I was able to get some more of this All Good Goop that we've been enjoying. We got it in a winter bundle. I think I showed that in a January video. I think that sounds about right. So this was $15 and I was able to get it on special for $9. And one thing I did note is the expiration date, or the best by date, 10/26, because the one that came in the winter bundle had a date of 3/20/25, which I will say we've almost finished it up and it's not making any funky changes, so I'm going to keep using it unless I see something funky. But we are definitely enjoying this goop from All Good. It is a definite winner, and this time it came with a card so we can tell you even a little bit more about this natural product. This is the card that came with it, and it says that it's an all-natural healing balm. The truth about petroleum-based skincare: it seems to moisturize, but actually it smothers the skin with unbreathable barrier that dries out delicate pores and can harbor bacteria. So petroleum derivatives can also carry carcinogenic risks and are not sustainable. And their product is all natural. Apparently, one small jar replaces 8 or more petroleum-based products. You can use it in place of petroleum jelly, hydrocortisone, cuticle cream, lip balm, foot cream, baby balm, and so much more. Wow, that's interesting. And they tell us even more over here that the All Good Healing Goop is gentle handcrafted balm, heals and soothes everyday chapped lips, dry elbows, rashes, bashes, and burns without petroleum ingredients. Organic herbs, beeswax, and olive oil work together to moisturize and support the skin's innate curative process. And like I said, we've been using that one that we got in a winter mystery bundle. We've been using it. It's definitely, I've noticed a benefit for my, well, at the risk of TMI, dry, calloused feet. Jeff is noticing a benefit for his dry knees and elbows. And I did purchase their version of the lip balm, and I'm pleased with that. I did try this on my lips, but as my body warmth heated it up, then I felt like it was a little too over greasy. So I went ahead and bought the lip balm, and it works very nicely. I use it at night. And as long as she was on their website, she decided to do a little shopping. Yes, I bought one more thing. It was on sale. It was an $11 candle. It was on sale for $10.44. Not bad. And the shipping for this is free with your free shipping if you can wait for it to ship with your box. And anyone can shop on their website from what we understand. You don't have to be subscribed. So go check it out. But what'd you buy? I got this candle. It is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Soy Candle. It is 7.2 ounces. Here she is. It is in the scent Lemon Verbena, which is one of my favorite scents. I haven't put it under my candle warmer yet, but I think this will be a nice springtime scent to try it out. Oh, that does sound nice. So what did you think of Anne's selections? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff, because we do fun unboxings and great riddles over here. And we hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.